What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm doing a review on my Factory47 14-inch miter bars. And this review was requested by JP Vasquez 25, one of you, a subscriber to the channel. I got these bars because at first I wanted to get T-bars when I got the bike, and the stock bars were just a little bit too short for me, which when I went in full lock in a turn, they grabbed my legs at slow speed maneuvers. Also, it really put my back in kind of like my shoulder blades were pushing together and gave me pains in my back. Now, I've put almost 30,000 miles on these bars alone, and I absolutely love them. They've got the sportier look. They don't have the meat hooks on them. A little bit more square design, and I really like how they're a lot more narrow than other versions like the meat hook. Now, these bars come in at 33 and I think 3/4 inch, which is probably the same, or maybe if anything a little tiny bit wider than the fairing, but it makes splitting lanes nice and easy. For reference, I'm 6'3", and the seat I'm using is a Saddleman road sofa extended reach seat. So it sits me a little bit further back, and this is my arm position. A little bit lower than shoulder height, and my elbows can kind of hang down. The pullback is about 8 inches, so when you're hanging out and going on long rides, if you have a backrest like I do, which I recommend, especially with people like me that have back issues, these really set you in that nice, comfortable lean back position. But when you need to get down into twisties, the bars are aggressive enough to be able to handle that. The bars are 1.5 inches in diameter. These bars do allow you to fit Harley Davidson heated grips on there, which is huge for me. You'll notice I have the hand guards on here. I just haven't taken them off since winter. They're not a style thing for me. I use them during riding in freezing conditions or really cold conditions because they help keep my fingers warm. I think the finish on these bars are next level. They polish out the welds so you have a really clean look here, and I'll show you more of those in a few clips right here. But also the insulation is a breeze. They're set up to fit your Harley risers, hand controls, all notched out for you. You will need, so these are the 14-inch bars, you will need the cable extension and the clutch extension. And I'll show you a picture of these two right here and here. But yeah, overall, I really do like these bars. Like I said, when I started off, I wanted to go to T-bars, which I might still do. But in the meantime, this company, Factory47, is great to veterans. Right now, they've got a 20% off sale. Now, this is the 5th of July, 2024, so they have a 20% off sale until the 7th. So make sure you hop in there and get you some bars if you want to. But if it's not the 4th of July, again, this company supports veterans. They've got a military discount, so you veterans out there, go grab you some bars, save some money. If you want to get the STR Miter bars, grab those. Just like mine. If you like meat hooks, get the meat hooks. Get what you like, man. Who cares what anybody else says? There's a few other styles out there too they've got. Go on their website, factory47.com, and check them out. Now, this video is not sponsored by Factory47. Again, I just had a subscriber reach out to me and tell me what he wanted to see. So that's it for the video. We're gonna hang out, cruise around, and have some fun, just me and my wife. Thanks for watching ATC Jeremy Rides. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, subscribe. It really helps the channel when you guys send comments. And if you guys want to see more reviews like this or have any other ideas for me, make sure to comment down below. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thanks for riding with me, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hey guys, just letting you know that the sale's going to be going on until Sunday for all the Rockford audio, 20% off. We're going to be doing all our handlebars off, the backrest. We're also going to be doing the Danger Boy levers. These are really nice levers. 20% off. And we will not be open tomorrow for 4th of July, but we are going to be open Friday all day. so you can come by and grab your bar that you need.